I'm Michael, and this is Wallets Wise, where the dollar talks, the market breathes, and the news comes raw. Let's go. Breathe easy. Welcome to WalletWise.blog. I'm Michael, helping you take smarter steps with your money. One decision at a time. How to open free online bank accounts, no fees required. In today's digital age, managing your finances has never been more convenient. Online bank accounts with no fees or unnecessary restrictions are revolutionizing how people save and spend money, whether you're looking to escape monthly maintenance fees, avoid minimum balance requirements, or simply gain more control over your finances. Free online banking offers attractive solutions for almost everyone. Gone are the days of waiting in line at a physical branch. With online bank accounts free from traditional restrictions, you can manage your money anytime, anywhere, often with better interest rates and fewer fees than traditional banks. This complete guide will explain everything you need to know to find, compare, and open free digital banking options tailored to your needs. Why choose free online bank accounts? The shift toward digital banking keeps gaining momentum, and for good reason. Online bank accounts without traditional fees offer numerous advantages. Over conventional banking relationships, these virtual institutions operate with lower overhead, allowing them to pass those savings directly to customers through fee elimination and better terms. They also offer a path forward for those struggling financially and seeking to escape debt. Benefits of fee-free digital banking: instant access, 24/7 control. Like traditional banks with limited business hours, online bank accounts free you from time restrictions. Need to make a transfer at 3 a.m.? No problem. Want to check your balance during a holiday? Always available. This 24/7 accessibility lets you manage your money on your schedule, not the bank's. Modern online banking platforms feature intuitive interfaces that make it easy to track expenses, set savings goals, and analyze spending habits. Many offer personalized insights and automated tools to help you make smarter financial decisions. No accounting degree required. No maintenance or overdraft fees. Perhaps the most compelling reason to consider online bank accounts is the elimination of annoying fees. Traditional banks often charge $5 to $15 per month in maintenance fees, unless you maintain minimum balances or meet specific transaction requirements. Digital banks often waive these entirely. Even more significant are the savings on overdraft fees, which average around $35 per incident at traditional banks. Many online options remove these fees entirely or offer much more affordable overdraft protection services, potentially saving hundreds of dollars per year for those who occasionally overdraft. Cashback and debit card perks. Many free online bank accounts don't skimp on benefits. In fact, digital banks frequently offer more generous rewards programs than their brick-and-mortar counterparts. These may include cashback on purchases, higher interest rates on deposits, or partnerships with retailers for special discounts. Some online banks offer up to 2% cashback in specific spending categories or round-up features that automatically save spare change from your purchases over time. These small perks can add up to meaningful amounts without requiring you to change your spending habits. Who should consider free online accounts? Students and young professionals. For those just starting out financially, fee-free online bank accounts are the perfect entry point. Students and recent graduates often have limited resources and irregular income, making minimum balance requirements particularly difficult. Digital banks often cater specifically to younger users. With tools like budget controls, automatic savings features, and educational resources, many also offer early access to direct deposits, allowing students and young professionals to access paychecks up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks. People with little or damaged credit history. Traditional banking relationships often begin with credit checks that can exclude people with limited or poor credit history. In contrast, many online bank accounts bypass these barriers, focusing instead on delivering basic banking services without judgment for past financial mistakes. Second chance banking options are common in the digital space, helping individuals rebuild their financial reputations while enjoying modern banking conveniences. This inclusion is one of the most powerful democratizing effects of the fintech revolution. Freelancers and remote workers. The gig economy continues to expand, bringing with it unique banking needs. Freelancers and independent contractors benefit greatly from online accounts that lack traditional restrictions. Features like unlimited transactions, easy invoicing integrations, and the ability to set up sub-accounts for tax savings make digital banking particularly attractive. For the self-employed, many online banks also offer reduced or waived fees for international transfers, an invaluable feature for remote workers with overseas clients or employers. The combination of lower cost and specialized tools makes these services ideal for modern work arrangements. Step by step, how to open a free online bank account. Getting started with online banking is incredibly easy, typically taking minutes rather than the hours you'd spend at a traditional branch. Here's how to navigate the process efficiently. Documents you may need. Most streamlined online bank accounts still require basic documentation to meet federal regulations. Typically, you'll need a valid government-issued photo ID, driver's license, passport, or state ID closing parenthesis. Social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, proof of address, utility bill, lease, or other official mail, basic personal information, birth date, email, phone number. Verification usually takes just a few minutes, with most applicants receiving instant approval. Some banks may request additional documents for specific account features. Or if they cannot verify your identity electronically. What if you don't have an ID? Finding a free online bank account without ID can be challenging due to federal identity verification rules. However, alternatives exist. Certain prepaid debit accounts offer similar functionality with less stringent documentation. Though with more limited features, some online banking platforms accept alternative IDs like foreign passports or consular cards. Others may allow a combination of documents that collectively verify your identity without needing a traditional government-issued ID. No deposit account setup. Many people assume opening a bank account requires an initial deposit, but plenty of online banks waive this requirement. To find accounts with no opening deposit, look specifically for no minimum deposit language in account descriptions. Compare options advertising no opening deposit required. Double check for hidden fees triggered by lack of initial funding opening. One of these accounts typically involves completing the standard form and simply skipping the deposit step. The account becomes active once your identity is verified, allowing you to set up direct deposits or transfer funds at your convenience. Top banks with no minimum opening balance. Leading players in this space include Chime. Capital One, 360.li, Bank, Discover Online Banking. Vero. Each offers slightly different features and benefits, but all allow you to build a banking relationship without any upfront financial commitment. This accessibility represents a major improvement over traditional banks, which often require $25 to $100 minimum opening deposits. Best fee-free online banks 2025. The landscape for fee-free online banking continues to evolve, with new entrants and improved offers appearing regularly. Today's leaders combine robust feature sets with genuinely zero-fee structures. Top 5 free online bank accounts. Ally Bank, top-rated customer service, no-fee checking and savings. Competitive interest rates. Capital One 360 combines digital convenience with physical branches and cafes, no-fee checking with access to over 40,000 ATMs. Chime pioneered early direct deposit and automated savings. Spot feature allows eligible users to overdraft up to $100 with no fee. Sophie A. Full financial ecosystem. Earn up to 3.75% AP with qualified direct deposits. Discover Bank. No fees of any kind and 1% debit card cashback on up to $3,000 in monthly purchases. Compare features carefully to align with your habits and banking priorities. Mobile app. Experience. Mobile app quality varies widely. The best apps offer intuitive interfaces, strong security, biometrics, two-factor authentication, and all the tools you need without touching a desktop. Look for features like mobile check deposit, account transfers, bill pay, and detailed transaction categorization. App Store reviews provide real-world insights that go beyond polished marketing claims. ATM access and cashback options. Despite being digital, cash access remains important. Top online accounts avoid ATM fees through proprietary ATM networks. Capital One. Discover closing parenthesis. ATM fee reimbursements. Ally. Charles Schwab, partnerships with major networks. Chime with MoneyPass. Some banks boost appeal with debit card cashback, often 1 to 2% on select purchases, essentially paying you to use your own money. Best for debit. CASHBACK. Discover leads here with 1% cashback on up to $3. 0 in monthly debit card purchases. Other strong options include Oxygen Bank up to 2% in select categories. Current Bank. Points redeemable for cash or goods. Nerve Banking. Bonus rates for creatives and musicians. More than just cash back, their banks offer unique features alongside no fees. Albert combines financial advice with banking. Vero blends high-yield savings with early direct deposit. One Finance uses Pockets to simplify budgeting. These all remove monthly fees while offering specialized tools aligned with specific user needs. Open free bank accounts. No credit check needed. Worried about credit? Many free online banks don't require a credit check or use check systems. Chime. No check systems. No credit check. Current focuses on banking features, not past issues. Lending Club, essential checking. Designed for rebuilding. Others help with cash flow gaps. Dave, up to $500 overdraft protection. No interest. Moneyline, instant cash advances up to $300. Bridget, predicts cash shortfalls and offers proactive help. These options cost far less than traditional overdraft coverage. Pros and cons of online banking. Online banking offers strong advantages, but it's not perfect for every situation. Are digital banks safe? Yes. Legitimate online banks use the same encryption and regulatory standards as traditional ones. Most are FDIC insured, usually via partner banks federally regulated, equipped with multi-factor and biometric authentication. Real-time alerts and card freeze controls offer added security. Digital versus traditional banks. Key differences include: no physical branches equals lower cost, fewer staff equals faster service, tech investment equals better user experience. As a result, online banks pass on the savings and innovations to you. Account features. Digital checking accounts often provide faster payment processing, user-friendly mobile tools, smarter budgeting and saving features, better integration with financial apps. Traditional banks are improving but struggle to match digital agility. Summary: how to open a free online bank account. Here's what most digital banks require. Choose a bank aligned with your needs. Visit their site or download the app. Click Open Account. Provide basic info and ID. Set up security settings. Link external accounts if desired. Download app and enable notifications. The whole process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Quick checklist before you apply. Have stable internet, valid email, and phone.government issued ID SSN or ITIN. Details of external accounts if needed. What to avoid. A truly fee-free account should avoid monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, overdraft fees, or provide affordable alternatives ATM fees, paper statement fees. Account closure or inactivity fees. Always read the fine print before opening an account. FAQs. Can I open an account without ID? Not easily, but some banks accept alternative documents. Prepaid debit options may work too. What if I have bad credit? Look for second chance or no credit check accounts. They focus on helping, not penalizing. You. Do free accounts. Include debit cards, yes, usually with Visa or MasterCard. Many offer instant virtual cards too. Can I get overdraft protection? Yes. Many banks offer low or no cost coverage and tools to avoid overdrafts entirely. Final thoughts. Is a free online bank account right for you? Fee-free online bank accounts offer real advantages, lower costs, better tools, and faster service. But they're not for everyone. Great for most consumers. Tech-savvy users. Those seeking modern features, not ideal for people who deposit cash often. Those needing in-person service, users with complex banking needs, people uncomfortable with apps. Hybrid banks like Capital One 360 offer a balance of both. Online banking continues to lead the charge in financial innovation. By understanding what's out there and aligning it with your needs, you can make smarter choices for your financial future. Important, this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Information may change over time, and accuracy is not guaranteed. Always consult a qualified expert before making any financial decisions. Investor, info delivered, mission complete. This was Michael on Wallets Wise, where smart strategies lead to real results. Make your money count. See you next time. That's a wrap for Wallets Wise.